Okay, today we will learn the next question, that is operational amplifier working as a voltage follower or buffer. What is a buffer? Buffer is a circuit which gives the same output as that of the input. So we can take the operational amplifier to work like a voltage follower or buffer. Output voltage whatever we are providing, suppose I am providing V sin omega t, the output voltage will be same as that of the input voltage. If my V in sin omega t that is phi sin omega t is my input voltage, my output voltage also will be same, and also there will be no sign change. Why it is so? Why there will be no sign change? You can notice the word, there will be no sign change. V naught equal to V in, and we are seeing there is no negative sign in it. What is the use of this? Why it is said so? Because you can see in this diagram, in this circuit diagram, we are connecting the input voltage V in to the input side. As I connecting my input to the positive positive terminal or the non-inverting terminal, that indicates that the output voltage will be in same, or it will be in phase with the V in. So what is the voltage gain formula? We know voltage gain formula is equal to V naught by V in, and you can mark here that we are connecting a direct path from output V naught to input VA. So from the output terminal V naught, or from the output node to the 8th node, so it indicates that it is being a direct short. That means we are not using any feedback resistance for making the operational amplifier to work like a buffer or voltage follower. So it is the main key concept. That's what it is making you the RF is 1. The RF is 1, or the feedback resistance is your 1 here. So V naught by V in equal to it is equal to 1. So we can see the equations that is involved in it. Let VA be the node voltage appearing at A, and VB be the node voltage that is appearing at B. According to the concept of virtual ground, I can say that VA equal to VB. VA equal to VB. It is always the two input voltages that are appearing at the two terminals of the operational amplifier, that is inverting and non-inverting, will be always tried to be maintained equal for the operational amplifier. That is the key concept. So VB equal to V in here. So here it is written VB equal to V in. What does it indicate? It indicates that the input voltage will be mine V in. So VA equal to VB equal to V in. Why? Because I know VA equal to VB and VB equal to V in. So I can conclude that VA equal to VB equal to V in. And also from the node side, I can see that the output is directly connected to 8th node. So whatever the voltage that is appearing at output node, that is O node or V naught, will be equated to VA. So it is equal to VA equal to VB equal to V in, which is equal to V naught. Here I wrote that VA equal to VB equal to V in, that is due to the concept of virtual ground, because my VB equal to V in, which is also equal to VA. But from the output side, I am seeing that V naught is sorted to VA, that is output node a one short wire has come to the 8th position or 8th input. So I can write VA equal to V naught. So if equating these two, I conclude that VA equal to VB equal to V in equal to V naught, or all the voltages are equal, that is appearing at input and output voltages are same, or I can write AV equal to closed loop gain, that is AV equal to V naught equal to AB equal to V naught by V in equal to 1, or the closed loop gain for the operational amplifier that is working in voltage follower mode or working like a buffer is having a closed loop gain 1. So if operational amplifier has resulted AV equal to 1, that means it is working in buffer mode or voltage follower mode. Why? Because we are not connecting any feedback voltage to its feedback path, and also we keep in mind that to the positive terminal we are connecting the input. As we are connecting the input V in to the positive terminal, and the feedback path is connected directly to the output, that means we are making the op-amp to make equal the two voltages that is appearing at input and also output. Op-amp has many applications in the electronic circuit. So you can see in this graph, in this voltage waveforms, that the voltage cannot be amplified. Whatever the voltage is given, suppose I am giving phi sin omega t, the output also will result in phi sin omega t.